Hey, what's up everyone, Habib here. In this video I'm gonna share a useful script with you. That is, you can use it to create a screen space marker overlay in your Unity games. This is the script, and this is the link. I will share the link in the description of this video, and I will show you how I did use the script in my game. Let me run my game. Okay, let's play it. In my game,
Ayo ikut saya tunjukin kamu kosan sama satu orang hilang ini.
There is a door object, and this door object has this 2D marker on the screen. You can see that right there. It will show the player the object that the player must check. In this case, that door. You see that? That marker is through 2D sprite, 2D image, and it is attached to a 3D object in the scene. Let me show you the structure or the hierarchy of the game object. It is inside this player rig, and inside the canvas I have this marker parent object, and it has this 2D marker. You see this marker? It is just a 2D object, image object. This is the sprite, and it has animation, and the script is here in this camera, the blinking marker script. It has two tags to mark: door and collectible item tag. You can add more tags to be used in your game. Okay guys, let me show you how to use this script. So I'm going to stop my game and close my game. I will show you how to use it from zero. Let me open my new project, an empty project, and later you need to copy the script and paste it in your Unity editor. Hang on. Okay, here is a game, simple game, a simple scene, Unity scene, and we will try to add the script here. It is just this moving cylinder, and I'm going to add an object, or no, just I'm going to use this moving snake. Okay guys, the script is this one. The name of the script is blinking marker. I copy the name of the script. Here I create new script with that name, then double click to edit the script, copy entire code, just 75 lines of code, copy and paste it here, select all and paste, save. Now we have this script attached. To use the script, we need to attach the script to the camera that we are using. Attach it here, then you will have this two slots: sprite object, markers parent. For markers parent, it should be an empty game object inside a canvas, so you need to create a Unity canvas, UI canvas, and then inside this canvas you need to create an empty game object. I call it markers parent. Probably I need to scale it and stretch it this way, and the next thing is, let me add this markers parent to the script. Here is my script. I need to add this markers parent here, and then we need to create a 2D object as a marker. Here inside this canvas, I will create an empty game object. Create empty. I call it marker, and inside this empty 2D game object, I will add a UI image element, and I call it marker image. To make it interesting, I need to add animation to this marker. I will go to window, animation, and I will create an animation here, marker anim. Let's click this recording mode. Yeah, let me scale it down, then here I scale it up. Here I set the opacity, the alpha, to be full like this, and here should be also full, and here should be 0, and at the last frame should be also 0. If you play the animation, it will be like this. Okay, this is our marker animation. Let me then the next step is to create a prefab of this marker object. This marker object, drag and drop it here, and we have this marker prefab. Delete this one on the scene. Now we have this marker prefab. Now go back to the main camera, bring this marker prefab here, then the tags to mark. I want to mark an object with a specific tag. For example, this bone1 object, the very first bone of this snake, I will add a tag to this object. For example, I will add this tag to be marked. Copy the name, save it, go back here, bone1, set the tag to be marked, and then here in this main camera, the blinking marker script, we need to add the tag. Because I only have one tag to mark, I just need to use one tag. If you have more tags, you can add more tags here. Alright, I only have one tag, and let me test it. Play the game. And you see that, but I was seeing a delay. Let me place the scene the game scene side by side here, the game window. I'm going to try to move the camera this way. You can see that marker is showing the position of the bone one object in the scene. But my question is, why did I see a delay on the marker to show? Oh yeah, I remember guys, the delay was because it has a timer in the script. I forgot about that. I have this init markers, enumerator init markers with 3 seconds delay timer. If you don't want the delay, just reduce it, or yeah, just reduce it to, for example, 0.25 float. Less than 1 second the marker will be shown on the screen. So let me try to play it again. Run. We will see the marker immediately, like that. See that? And let's try to add another game object. For example, I'm going to create a sphere game object, and I place it here far away from the camera, and I'm going to add a tag to this game object. I will use this player tag. Player, and go back to main camera and add that player as the tag that to be marked in our game. Play the game, and I'm going to move the sphere. You see that the sphere, you can move the sphere everywhere the object is moving. The marker is showing where they are in the scene. I know the marker is too big, you can scale it down, you can edit the marker prefab. And that's all for this video. I hope this script will be useful for your game development. See you soon guys. Thank you. Bye bye.